So this is the Atom 77 compact freewheel, a 6-speed freewheel on the rear wheel of my 1985 Schwinn Le Tour road bike that I'm fixing up here. Just like the Atom 77 compact freewheel that spontaneously turned into a fixed gear on my 1983 Peugeot P8, this freewheel was gummed up. Then I squirted copious amounts of WD-40 into the gap there. It's not sealed. And now listen. The freewheel is freewheeling. I did notice those cogs are kind of, well, maybe that's intent. Anyway, so the point is that after squirting in some WD-40, I was able to de-gum up my freewheel, and now I'm going to put some motor oil in there and let this thing turn as it should. Thanks for watching.